Welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you how to fix could not play videos on TikTok. If your videos are not properly playing on your TikTok, then how you can resolve this problem. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting any things and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to know how to resolve problem that videos are not playing on TikTok. Click on the TikTok. The app will appear in front of you. Now click on the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on setting and privacy. Now you can scroll this bar and see the option free up space. Click on it and clear on cache. Almost this problem will be resolved by this solution. If you are still facing that problem, then you have to update your app or reinstall your app. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.